guys, this is Assembler, and I'm here to talk about how to remove background from this particular image. One day, there are so many ways, but I'm not talking about this one. This one is quite effective though. I want to first of all say thank you to Smart Market Nigeria for allowing me to use their image for the brand, this wonder image, for branding, and then be able to work on it. And you can check them out at www.smartmarketnigeria.com, where you see it's an online market, an e-commerce online market shop where you can shop for foodstuffs like rice, yam, beans, eggs. They're very affordable prices, they're cheap. Okay, moving on to the class. This is the image I'm using, so I'm going to come to my quick select, or I can press W. Then you can see this one, quick select and everything. So I'm going to go quick select, then I will just click on select object. Note that for lesser previous version of Photoshop, they don't have select object, but rather only select and mask. So but 2019 upward have the option of select object. So the selection was not too perfect, so I'm going to go here and make my adjustment by I'm going to increase it a little, then hold my alternate, then drag inside here. Good, it's okay, it's loading, good time. So I'm gonna zoom out, then check around. I think okay, this is perfect. It's perfect. So you can see everything just good. So I'm gonna go straight to select and mask. I'm gonna give it a little time because it's actually a large file, so it will take time to load. Okay, it's loading. Okay, I have my image now. Now you can see how it blends where it cuts very well. And you can see how it cut very well just because of my settings. Now one thing you should note is your settings. When you set it very well, the smoothness, the faders, the contrast, the shift edge. Now you can use a shift edge of the minus value makes it goes inside, then the plus value make it goes outside. Now let me show you. If I take this thing above, you will see the effect that it's going to give on this particular area. Now you can see if I zoom in, you can see right now the outline is showing like outline for me. So let me take it back to 9, to -9 where it was before. Maybe that's 10. You can see this, can see the edge here is smoothing. Then I'm gonna take it, I'll click on remember settings. So whenever I click on the outline, so it's gonna give me, it's gonna show me if I'm creating a new layer, or I'm using a new layer with layer mask, or just new layer. So I'm gonna go layer with layer mask. So and I click on remember settings, which I did, so I can remember my settings for me. I just press OK. Now you can see that's how you remove the background from inside full image. Then when I create a new layer, let's go with this one, and then I come here, I drag it here, drag this object here. Now this is what you have. Voila. So please like, subscribe, share, and I appreciate that. Thanks a lot.